This is Medson Diagnostic Center. Now we're here as early as 6 a.m. Okay, so if you want to have some routinary diagnostics, you have this price list. This one is one of those very affordable diagnostic center. We're trying it in Jensen. So you have your laboratory packages. Relatively reasonable siya, no? The location is in J. Catolico. They have price list for natin, no? Longer focus. If you want to know their price range. Ito yung mga blood test. Ito yung papakuha namin for routine check lang. We try to do this twice a year. They have these laboratory packages. So we're told that medyo reasonable, no? And also maganda naman yung feedback sa kanila. So their laboratory hours is from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. The location is near STI J. Catolico area. So if you're here, tabi siya ng Sterling Bank, Jensen. So this is J. Catolico, no? Early morning J. Catolico, because if you go there, that is already KCC area, saka Gaisano na area. That one, huh? So again, no, this is ito yung location nila, Medson Diagnostic Center, near Sterling Bank. They have yung harap mismo, Pela Grande na resto. I don't know kung open pa ba to. Ito yung harap niya, no? Full na harap niya, frontage. So let's have a closer look of their packages tsaka price list. For ultrasound, ito yung ultrasound nila, oh. Dito ako sa labas because punuan na sa loob. Kala namin maaga kami. And they have again, ulitin natin their laboratory packages. Let's scan, focus muna, few minutes, few seconds. Ayan, that's the mga laboratory test nila. Urinalysis, yan, fecalysis. Okay, signing off.